Hello friends, today we will discuss insolvency. Insolvency refers to a financial state where an individual, company or entity is unable to meet its debt obligations as they come due. It is often seen as a precursor to bankruptcy, although not all insolvent entities go bankrupt. Types of insolvency. First is cash flow insolvency, when an entity cannot pay debts as they fall due because they don't have enough liquid cash, even if they have assets that exceed their liabilities. Balance sheet insolvency, when an entity's liabilities exceed its assets, meaning the total debts are greater than the total assets. We can understand with an example. Suppose a company ABC Limited that manufactures electronic gadgets, due to a downturn in the market, ABC Limited experiences a significant drop in sales, leading to reduced cash inflow. However, ABC Limited still needs to pay its suppliers, employees, and other operational costs. Cash flow insolvency. Suppose ABC Limited has crore rupees worth of debts due to this month, but only has rupees 303 crore in cash or liquid assets. Even though ABC Limited owns a machinery and equipment worth 7 crore rupees, it cannot convert these quickly into cash to pay the immediate debts. Therefore, ABC Limited is cash flow insolvent. Balance sheet insolvency. In other scenario, ABC Limited's total liability amount is 150 crore, while the total value of its cash, inventory and property including equipment is only 120 crore rupees. This means ABC Limited's liability exceeds its assets, making the balance sheet insolvent. In both cases, if the company cannot resolve its insolvency by increasing revenue, reducing costs, restructuring its debts, or raising new funds, it may need to consider filing for bankruptcy protection.